Thank you.
You're welcome.
You too. Someone said you can report the stations if these are above 99 cents, which I thought was funny. But we in the S650 today. Mode real quick. Shut off advanced track. That dude looked at me crazy. I guess he saw the GoPro on my head. Tell me we're hitting traffic today. I already know it's gonna be bad. Let's go ahead. That dude, literally, I don't trust that guy. I'm gonna go a different route. Truck driving school, yeah, go ahead. Take all the time and space you need. World. That would have been me if tuning did not become available. I saw a C8, there's a C8 up there. What is going on right here? Right here. The truck stopped in the middle of the street. What the heck? noticed after doing the cat delete, like whenever I actually like drive a little bit more aggressively, especially like in this hot weather, the oil temp is a little bit cooler than what it was previously, which is good because this is a base model with no oil cooler. Because usually I wouldn't even have to get on it like that, and the oil temps in 90-degree air probably feels like 100. It'd be getting like to 245, stuff like that, pretty fast, and it's like, man, I'm gonna do a little hit up here. It might touch like 240, but if this was before the cat delete, it would hit 250, especially in this air, because it's hot. Idea what he's doing. Right now just to prove it. Okay, it got to 248, but again, I was like going in and out, like we're getting my oil temp hot. I'm trying to get somewhere like right now. Drive accordingly though. We are by a school. Didn't run under no clutch protection that hit, so that was what's up. guarantee you I'm making better time as if I was going back the other way. Which is crazy, because I already know it's backed up. I ain't got no time to waste. Ooh, what the? I think I ran over a piece of wood right there. That's what it sounded like. doing like hits, this car feels good. Feels good, ladies and gentlemen, feels good. This thing feels good. All right, it's a couple hours later. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that POV drive in the S650. Cat Delete E85, full drag pack. It's crazy because doing pulls in this car is a little bit awkward compared to doing pulls in the Shelby GT350 because the gearing is longer and obviously this car doesn't make as much power. So like third gear is like 130 mile an hour at the top of third. So it's like kind of weird because I'm thinking I'm not going that fast, but like realistically I kind of am going that fast. And because it takes longer to get to that speed, it's like going. Oh my God, we're rolling. But yeah, super happy with the S650. Really happy with the car. Got to get this unit detailed. Shelby taken care of, getting detailed. Got to get this car detailed, but this is my daily driver, so it gets dirty a lot faster. I don't know why people are pulling up in here, but got done what I need to go ahead and take care of. About to head back to the crib. Next modifications with this car are going to be the front brakes for some rotational weight reduction, and then after that I think boost. Just going to get this car set up first, and then we're going to boost it, because when I take this car out, first draggy hit for a test, I wanted to draggy faster than the Shelby G50, and then we can go ahead and have some fun. I'll give you guys a little ghost cam startup. That dude just parked right in front of me. What the hell? Sounds good. I'm not one for the ghost cam, but it does sound good with these cars. With the stock manifolds, cats removed, Steeda H pipe with the active exhaust, don't sound too bad. But when I do boost the car, I'm probably just gonna get rid of it. It's cool. All right, y'all. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuce. Stay safe out there.